So this event is for juniors and it's called Mapping Your Path. So depending on what you're hoping to do, whether that involves trade school, jobs, military, college, we have something for everyone. So we even have a station that if you're not even sure where to start, you can start there. We're going to actually be here every Thursday of March, and they can come multiple times. They can come every week if they want. We have raffle prizes, including like prom tickets, a parking pass, activity card, those kind of things. So all juniors are required to come at least once, and then they'll come around, they'll fill out a bingo card that asks them to do different activities, like, look at their Naviance account, or check their GPA, or make sure that their graduation requirements are in check. And then by doing the bingo card and turning it in, they have a chance at the raffle prizes.
I've started to look at my colleges. It's really stressful though, but most of my classes are easy. I got to go do the resume one, which is something that I've been trying to look into starting to do, and then also my letters of recommendation, which I wanted to start, so that's all good. I've been trying to do that. I've already learned how I can start my resume, start my letters of recommendation, that I can already start to do it, which is something that I like to do. I like to be ahead. I like to make sure it's done.
It's super important because everybody needs to have a transition plan. Everybody needs to know what they're going to do after high school. So our job is to make sure that by junior year, they're thinking about something. In Naviance, we have career surveys, interest surveys, lots of different ways to help students to kind of look at what they're good at or maybe where they have interests and help to work with that. I would like them to be relieved. I'd like them also to know that we can help them with any part. Nobody's at the same spot. Everybody's a different journey. Wherever they're at, we'll meet you there, and it's just the start. It's all month that they can come see us. After that, they can come to our office right across the hall. With anything, we'll help them walk them step by step into what is their transition goal.